Hi guys, welcome to Eagle Eye FX. So I want to show you this video. This is very powerful because I was trying something, a strategy, and actually this is what I've been teaching on. If you've been watching my videos on YouTube, it's exactly the same thing. So guys, remember to like and subscribe, and also remember to hit the notification bell so that you don't miss out when I post a video. So I want to show you something here, and this is a real account. As you can see, it's a synthetic account derived, and on the 18th of this month, okay, 18th of February, so go to 18th of February till today, I actually made a deposit of $50. Okay, so let's just change the color so that I can be able to see. Right, just pick that, say okay. So you can see that I was able to deposit $50. If I go down to history, you can see that the deposit was made on this date, on the 18th of February around 6:20. So I made a deposit of $50, and my target actually is to grow this $50 account to $1,000, and then to $2,000, and then to $3,000. I mean, if I can get it to $3,000, I will be very, very, very happy. So you can see that I have been taking some trades. Okay, so you see that I took my first trade. So I've been trading two things. I've been trading volatility 75 and also volatility 75 1S. Those are my two main things that I'm synthetics, that indexes that I'm trading. So also I'm trying to use the key of concentration so that I am not all over the place. So you can see that I took some trades, I took some profits. So remember, the whole idea is to grow the account, is to grow this account. So you can see that I was growing. Okay, and then I was closing some profits. Mostly I was closing some profit, and then I had two small losses here. Then this day was actually the worst day, but as you can see, took a $20 loss. Okay, then I took a $4 loss, 4.3, 4.2, 4.1, and that was a lot because that was almost 30 something dollars. But as you can see, the account from what you can see in the history, I see that the account had grown some bit, 15, 22, 7, 8, 9. Then we have this 21 and 3. Okay, then I started recovering. So you can see these trades were actually, I was able to recover. Then I came, then I see I took some losses here, some two losses over there, and then profit just closing them manually, and then today I also today in the morning I closed this because it wasn't going to my direction, and then just close it. Then you can see after that just profit. So you can see that currently the profit made is 152.39. So I've grown this account from $50 to 152.39. That's actually three times the account. So I wanna do now, I told myself that if I go here, you can see now that the account is at 200. So I told myself that the time this account reaches $200, then that is the time that I'm going to deduct my capital of $50, and then now I can now concentrate in growing the $150. So I want to do it here practically, so I can see that this is a real account, and yeah. So let me go to here and click withdraw, go to derive. So you can see that you can see the balance here. You can see the balance here 200,36. So I'm going to deduct and you can see that it's a real account, it's not a demo account, so I'm going to deduct $50 from this, then we'll see how it goes. So you can see that I have this 200,36, so I want to transfer it to my account here. So I'm going to type here $50, then transfer, then it's going to reflect up here. So I've already typed 50,36, then transfer. So you can see that 50,36 has been added to my account. So I'm just going now to wait for the so now I'm not just going to do the withdrawal. So let's see how this goes. So now we can come here, so we can come here, then go to cashier, then withdraw, then send an email, then going to follow up on the email. So you can see that I've done the withdrawal already. So I'm going to type the amount here, and then I'm going to click and say yes. So let's put 50,36. Then I'm going to use my debit card, I'm going to use my Visa, and then now finally you can see your withdrawal request is received. I've made a withdrawal of 50.36. okay, so now we can go back to the account. You can see that we are at you can see that now we are at 150. So if I go here now and then I go to today, you can see now that delete that. You can see that the withdrawal is 50,36. okay, 50,36, and then you can see that this is where the withdrawal is. I've made a withdrawal of 50,36. So guys, it is very much possible. It's very much possible. So now the target is now to take this 150. So the next time I'm going to withdraw this account is when I multiply it times 3, which is 450. The moment I see $450, that's the time I'm going to withdraw 150. So this becomes now like my starting capital. Then the moment I withdraw 450, I reach 450, I need 300. Then the next target will be to multiply it by 3, okay, which is going to be 900. Okay, then now at 900, I'm going to withdraw 300, and the remaining is 600, and multiply it by 3 again, 1800, then 1800, that deducts 600, which is 1200, then multiplied by 3, which is 3600, and the target will have been reached. So work with me in this journey. I'll be sharing the video every time multiply by 3. I'll do a breakdown. I'll show you that it is possible that you can grow a small account to a big account, and it's very much possible. So, and I have been teaching what I normally do. So you can see, for example, like today in the morning, I had a setup on volatility 75. So there was an impulse move, then there was this information, then there was a correction upward. So I actually drew my trend lines. Okay, so let me go back to this color so that I can be able to see. Okay, yeah, so you can see that there was this trend line that formed here. Okay, this is a reversal sign. Then at the breakout here, that is when I took my trades. Then I maximize up to this point over here. So you might easily go back and do a retest before it goes down, because if you go to the 1 hour time frame, you can see that we are coming from an impulse move, then we are having a correction to the upside, which is a sign of reversal. So I'm expecting this market to really come down. That is the reason why I've put this arrow here, because this market, I am anticipating a move to there. I'm anticipating a move to the downside. So if I go to the 4-hour time frame, you can see the structure that is formed. It's forming an expanding channel, and we are actually right here over now. Okay, so let's see how this is going to play out. You can see if I go to the 1 minute, especially on the 1 minute time frame, it was very beautiful. I mean, the setup was just amazing, because you can see this. You can see that there was this movement talking about, then there was a breakout, and then there was a flag. There was a bearish flag, which was for me an indication to go down strongly. And as you can see, after the flag, what happened? There was a very strong impulse move to the downside. So what is happening right now, to me, this is a small bearish flag. So it's actually coming to create a bigger bearish flag before we see a fall to the downside. So guys, I walk within this journey. The link is on the description below if you want to join my Telegram group, if you want to learn my strategy and how I trade. Also, you can always reach out to me. I don't use indicators. I trade a market structure, and for me, my trading is pure price action. So thank you guys for watching. So here I'm waiting for a breakout, then I'm going to enter more sales and continue growing my account. So thank you guys for watching. This is Eagle Eye FX signing out.